산다
That's what made the area very fertile as well. So geological here, a second water on your left, and this is also that would be indicated with some green net, but that's the way you breathe your salmon. So again, Stavanger area, like Lucifjord, but this is of course not there. It's 205 kilometers.
We have a quick stop going to Månafossen. Just a quick photo stop, and I just want to share you guys how beautiful it is. So guys, this is one of the fjords that they have. Ang ganda, di ba? It was so beautiful. So we only have here like 5 minutes before we go straight ahead to Månafossen Waterfalls. Yay, beautiful. Beautiful fjords.
And it's also the water above is 300 meters, so it's quite agenda. It's a different tour. It requires several hours, so it's for next time. But we'll have.
Good morning. Today is another hike. We are here in Månafossen Waterfalls. Sorry.
Yes.
Let's start the hike. This is the start of the trail. So it's very steep, guys. But they have these chains, like a handle, and they have these man-made stairs, so it can help you. Look at the view. So beautiful. Oops, I need a chain now. Guys, look at the view. I'm not even on the top of the mountain, but look at this. Look at this, guys. I'm not even on the top of the mountain, but the view is already beautiful. It's amazing. Now let's just keep moving. Let's go. So let's continue, guys. Let's go straight to the top. Oh. I think, guys, we're already here. Just a quick one, 10 minutes hike if it's continuously done. Yeah, it was really good. At dahil meron pa dito mas magandang view, let's see. Puntahan natin.
There's a better view up there.
Wow, so beautiful. This waterfalls is 92 meters high, so it was amazing. And we're done. We just saw the beautiful Månafossen Waterfalls and it was amazing. Now we are going down to head back to our bus. We need to be careful while walking because it's very slippery. Oop. So we're going down now, guys. We need to be more careful. It's very steep, guys. It's too shortcut. Slide, yeah. As well.
From the cruise, we started at 7 in the morning. But there were some other groups from the same cruise in the afternoon, and that was when we were already going back. That was a mess because there were so many. There were 1,000 people at the same time.
Yesterday.
Oh
my goodness.
Ooh, that was a bit too much.
Maybe as time goes by today, it will be more people coming.
Yeah. And it is a popular destination, of course.
Yeah. So guys, we finished the hike. it's just a quick one. It's easy, but going up and down, it's very tough. So now we're heading back to the ship. Now we're just waiting for the others. We need to complete the counts so that we can leave. Yeah, it was amazing. I enjoyed the hike today. It's a short video. And I hope you also enjoyed the video that I have. Just give me a thumbs up and subscribe on my video, on my channel if you haven't. So yeah, thank you so much for watching and welcome to Norway.
Here, the sound is here, but I aimed it this way because it's more of a landscape. This was another good option as well.
Wow, that was beautiful.